If your organization is using Microsoft 365, then you're probably also using OneDrive. It's a great way to share folders and files with employees and also external people. However, the permissions can be defined by the end user and not necessarily dictated by the organization. So that can get a little difficult at times in tracking all those down. And finding those and remediating those permissions is just a few clicks in Access Rights Manager. So let me show you how to do that. To find out where external users have access to your OneDrive files, we can go to Resources, verify that our configuration is set to look for direct entries only, and then look for external. It looks like external access has been granted a little bit everywhere, but let's go ahead and just pick one. A test folder, and inside that test folder, he's got several things that don't match their parent permission, so we'll just grab one at random, revenues, and there it is, externally accessible with edit rights. If you wanted to remove those rights, we can just go right-click on revenues, modify access rights, and remove external access, and then apply. As in all things, go ahead and put a note. And run it when you'd like, whether that is immediately, in the background, overnight, or schedule it for a specific time. So in a couple of clicks, you can go ahead and identify all the files that are actually being shared via OneDrive, and if they are being shared externally, go ahead and remove that permission.